Hi, I'm Minda Tracy. I've been teaching people how to build interactive Excel dashboards for over 5 years. I've taught more than 25,000 people from a vast array of industries. And for the past 3 years, I've received the Microsoft Most Valuable Professional Award for my contribution to the Excel community. Excel dashboards are a highly sought after skill these days. If you want or already have a career that involves creating reports in Excel, then you need to know how to create impressive, interactive, and easy to read dashboards that, most importantly, virtually update themselves. In this mini course, I'm excited to be able to share with you the simple techniques you can apply in Excel to make this interactive dashboard. These skills will set you apart from the crowd and get you noticed. And if you already know how to build a basic pivot table and create some simple charts, then I'll have you up and running in just 1 hour. No complex VBA coding, no expensive add-ins or other programs are required, just plain Excel and some data. I've taught this mini course in various forms and the feedback has been incredible. You can read some of the comments in the course summary below. So grab a coffee or your lunch and join me for this interactive Excel dashboard mini course.